Alright guys, day 25, and today is our last day here in Canada. Well, last day. Our last proper day, because tomorrow we'll be leaving. That means today we gotta bike to downtown again, deliver the bikes, package them, and then let them be sent away for next year. And yeah, maybe we'll even find a Boston Pizza to let this go out with a boom and have a nice evening there. And I don't know. First off, they're already down the elevator, so I gotta hurry a bit. I'm usually always the last one, which they won't hesitate to tell everyone, so I gotta go. Weather ain't too good today. It's really cold.
Drama Battalion.
Another night slips away. In other words, I should say there are no words. You should say there are no words. Another night slips away. In other words, I should say there are no words. You should say there are no words.
Like, don't you know, man, don't you know it's long gone? Like, don't you know it's all wrong? She's all gone, and she ain't coming back. When she was meeting you, you should have been right there for that. Now she headed home, you still all alone. Should have hit her phone sooner, she ain't texting back. Didn't have time for that. You were choosing rap, made that decision, didn't listen, now you'll live with that. Cause she was there for you when everything was headed south. Came back and you weren't the man you used to be all about. Blinded by the lights and your
Bye bye bikes. They are gone. We're on foot again. That means we're going home tomorrow. I'm ready for my bed and my longboard. It's a great store. The camera store in Calgary. Awesome stuff. Nice big collection of cameras. Nice.
I should say there are no words. You should say there are no words. Another night slips away. In other words, I should say there are no words. You should say there are no words.
Are you happy? No, really, are you now? Figure out all the shit that had you tripping out. Got so ready for the lights, and then you chickened out. Said you were all about your dreams. What the hell you talking about? Didn't move, didn't make moves in the place you were. Weren't igniting anything, waiting for it to occur. It'd be nice, but you know that success is not an open door. Sitting at that opening, not sure who you were waiting for.
Starting to warm up.
Cause if you aren't looking, you know that you won't ever find it. Listen to you, I mean you go back and rewind it. Play your old tapes back, remember why you're fucking grinding. It's to inspire youth, to inspire truth. It's to inspire, make a living off of what is you. I mean you're really giving when you're really giving you. So you gon' go and get it, don't look back at what you'll lose.
I don't understand that. Does it come out, or are there roofs in between? No idea. In the middle of the city, and there's a gravel road. What the hell? So it went from holy moly is it cold to holy moly is it hot. And I still have my long black trousers on. Yeah, it's getting hotter and hotter. But it was a successful day. We delivered the bikes. Now we're on foot again, which is kind of sad, but that means it's going home tomorrow. I'm getting excited. It's been 2 months since I've been home. I think that's the longest time in my life that I haven't been home. Excited, yes! Alright guys, so that was it for today. Yes, I'm in the bathroom here because my parents are already sleeping. So and it was dark there, so I had to do it here. It's been a great 2 months. The first month in Germany, which I didn't vlog, but that was awesome. I learned a lot, and then this month was also awesome. But now I'm so ready to go home. I'm missing my bed and also my longboard, so tomorrow will be a long day. We'll have to leave the hotel at 11, and the flight isn't before like 10 in the evening, so we got a lot of time to kill at the airport. But with time zones and all that, I'm not gonna interrupt the day. I'm just gonna let it flow through as I experience it, kind of. So that's gonna be one long vlog, and then we'll be home. And then I'll be in Sweden again for first time in 2 months, which kind of is crazy, but I don't know. I'm gonna go for a little stroll now around the parts here around the airport, just to say goodbye to Canada. And yeah, let's see you tomorrow. Bye bye.